there's been a sweet deal brewing. My cousin found a sweet air-cooled in a storage container. The deal finally went through. He's picking it up today and we're headed that way. It's a 1986 911 Targa. It's a black car. It's missing the Targa rooftop, missing the keys, and missing the title. So the price he's getting it for, it's a no-brainer. I'm not gonna reveal the price just because that's his own information, but trust me, when I say deal of the year or barn find of the year, I mean it. I don't think there's been a barn find like this probably within even a couple years, honestly. So we're about to pull up to the storage yard. I'm gonna go ahead and record some clips of us pulling it out and hopefully you guys enjoy. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more on this car and it getting back on the road. It's gonna be getting cleaned up and detailed here locally by my buddies WD Detailing. Shout out RJ and Brent. So be sure to check out that video. Should be dropping tomorrow. So yeah, we're almost here, about 20 minutes away. So see you soon. Got the boys here. What up? So this is the storage unit place. As you can see, just a bunch of units. We're gonna go ahead and open up 5175. Hopefully we find something sweet in here.
What? What? Is this serious?
What y'all making all that ruckus for?
Why is there a Mario in here?
So as you guys saw, we opened the garage and voila. Aww. 86 Targa. Thing is pretty sick, but definitely needs some love. You'll see a little bit later, but there's a bunch of oil down there, so you know that it's a Porsche. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out.
Looking good.
Gently used and never abused.
No.
Big shout out to this baby for making all this possible.
No! No!
So yeah, a little loading issue. So yeah, it started rolling back on us. No one was tending the wheel, so it kind of got cockeyed coming off, but reset. Oh! Already dinged her, bro!
Hold on. Freaking sports cars! Yup. That's what I thought.
Oil pan busted, huh?
Looks like there's some damage. Did we mess up the engine? Oh, there's an oil leak. I don't mean to screw it up.
So got the car loaded up. Gonna go ahead and drop it off at WD Detailing a little bit later tonight. A little bit of process, but that's how it goes with these old cars. Got this beauty down to WD Detailing. Make sure you guys check out them on YouTube, all 900 subscribers. So we're just gonna do a little bit of a walk around before this thing gets dolled up, you know, just to see it in its condition that we pulled it out, since we didn't get a chance to really at the storage unit spot. As you can see, there's layers of dust on this thing. I think there's mold actually on the paint as well or something. It's probably from that sound deadening or the stuff that was hanging in the garage from being kind of opened up and to the environment. So off the bat, you can see the mold on the doors. Pretty nasty. Even the windows, you can't even really see through them. It looks like they got that custom tint job. Got the rockers, pretty good. I don't see any signs of bad rust. Even the floor pans, this is pretty normal. That's all surface rust, so that's not bad. Dash looks pretty clean. Steering wheel, a couple tears in the seats. Those should be able to get refinished. There's some few random documents here. Looks like some kind of interior bits. Maybe there's a couple $1,000 up in there. We'll see later. I don't know. Yo, this was even better. Yo, there's some cute baby photos. Like, those are honestly super adorable. We got a nice little picture right here. I don't know if I'm... So there's some cute photos right there. Oh, these seats are pretty minty. Looks like these things look brand spanking new right here. Look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, it looks like no one ever sat back here, which is pretty normal. Got the seat belts looking in great shape. He had some kind of speaker system up here, which, you know, makes sense if it's an old car, if he got it back in the 2000s. Go ahead and see if this will open up. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Sick. So it looks pretty fresh back here. It's definitely going to need a lot of love to make sure everything is running correctly. There's a standard procedure for making sure the motor turns over, draining the gas tank, changing the oil, making sure everything is basically operating correctly, spark plugs, all that to make sure this thing runs. So that should be fun, and definitely going to keep you guys updated with that video to make sure this thing purrs like it should. And of course, we're going to run into some surprises as always. So this thing looks pretty sweet. Go to the passenger side. You can see there's a little bit of paint work that he's done there. But the whole body, oh, we got a little bug right there. Is he still alive? Oh, it looks like he's still alive. Little stink bug. Some more goodies in here. Looks like the previous owner got hungry a few times. Got that fork in there. Some chargers, nothing too crazy. Bunch of documents in the glove box. Don't really want to go through all that right now. It looks like a bunch of junk, receipts, Hanukkah Balch. Singer-songwriter. So, I mean, that's pretty good. There's some receipts here. Looks like boy got a parking ticket he didn't pay. Oh, snap. Can't put that in there, but... So I kind of went through some of these documents, and there's a lot of stuff I can't show, but a lot of it's kind of cool. We got some plates as well. Got that cocoa butter. Some more random stuff, a few photos. Most importantly, though, floor pans look money, so that's good. Petroleum jelly. Passenger seat looks money as well in the rear. The whole interior actually looks fairly clean. It's pretty crazy. So this finish, I don't know if the Targa bar was painted or not, but it could always be refinished. I'm gonna pop this. The pimp cane. So first thing we found was a pimp cane, probably to keep the frunk open. So I'm just gonna see if there's any cool stuff like the toolkit. Honestly, this might be kind of difficult the way they mounted this kind of aftermarket speaker system. This kind of looks cool. What is this? Okay, that might be like a lug nut removal or something. I'm not sure. Some old newspaper that got eaten by bugs, or not bugs, mice. Probably mice. Yeah, probably mice and other rodents. Dude, hopefully we don't.
We'll probably find at least one.
I'm gonna do this one. Jeez. Okay. Man, these boys definitely did a funky wire tuck. What the heck is that pink stuff back there? Cool that they have the jack and the OEM tire. It looks like the spare. Got the oil in there. So everything looks good. I don't know if I want to touch that right there.
That might be a mouse nest.
Yeah, it looks like a mouse nest. So, but oh my goodness, look how clean it is under here, dude. It's pretty crispy under here. It looks super nice. Even this battery tray area looks fairly nice. They usually rust out pretty good. So that's gonna be pretty good to see the initial look at the car. There's just a lot of crap that needs to get cleaned up, and then get into it further once the boys at WD Detailing get done with this. So yeah, I mean, this thing is pretty cute. It's everything kind of we imagined. Oh yeah, let's throw the pin cane back in there. So stuff like this, there's a dent right there in the hood, some paint imperfections. This fender looks good, this door looks good. This quarter looks actually really good. There's a dent right there on the driver rear side. And I think that's about it, you know, other than scrapes and scratches. Fuchs look good, tires look good too, but they're probably dry rotted and flat, have flat spots. So it's gonna be a lot of cleaning. Hopefully she's gonna do a lot of shining right after. Yeah, this is just a base wash. As you can see, the dent a little clear, but cleaned up well. Once it gets a nice polish in two-step, it's gonna be even better. Just got back to WD Detailing. These boys put in work. You guys ready to see this thing? Man, you can see the shine. Sheesh. This thing's ready to roll back onto the showroom floor. Got that dinger there that'll get taken care of. But wow, this is gonna be surprised to see how this paint came out. Check out the interior. They got rid of the mold tint too. Not bad.
Yeah, made a nice clip.
Interior looked pretty clean and even looks cleaner now. Sheesh. Good job, fellas.
Yeah, all you really need is that Targa top and some carpets for the floors, and this jalape's good to go. Sounds great.
It does.
Seriously, like this is a whole other car. I'm telling you, man, it's not my car.
Alright, so that's gonna wrap up the video. As you saw, Rome saw his car, not this one. This is his other 79 SC. That's pretty sweet.
My other one.
It's equipped with an all steel wide body, 3-piece V-line wheels. Needs a little bit of interior work, but you know, these Porsches always need something. You can always do something to them. You can always modify something, and you can still keep dumping money into it anytime you want. Roman saw what the guys here at WD Detailing got done with. It looks amazing. Good job, Brent and RJ, as always. This thing looks crazy. The paint came out clean and better than I expected. I mentioned a few times, the paint looks almost better than most people's driver 911s, especially from that era, which is pretty insane. So we're gonna continue to work on his car. We already ordered some parts from Pelican, some belts, some seals, oil, filter, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Maintenance stuff to make sure that thing can start. Hopefully the motor turns. Did you check?
No.
We didn't check if the motor turns, so hopefully it does. Stay tuned in the next video to see that. So yeah, we're gonna make sure that thing runs, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull out some of those dents, make that thing look clean, find a Targa top, find some floor mats. If you have a Targa top or some floor mats, hit us up. 86, I think the Targa's from 85 to 89.
86 to 89.
86 to 89 Targa top. If you know where we can get
And
one.
floor mats.
And
Black.
floor mats. If you know where we can get some, hit us up. Definitely harder to find, and we're not trying to spend
Premium.
$1 billion.
$1 billion. So appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to see the progress with this stuff.
And if you're from our channel, you better subscribe to him and watch the entire series.
Hey, appreciate it.
Because we got this car ready for them, and now they're going to take it to the next level and do what they're about to do with it. So
Bring it to the finish line.
Oh yeah.
What's
so
the question of the video since Brent's here?
if you could pick any year of Porsche to own, which year would it be and why?
Which year and why? Go
Any
all the way.
Porsche.
Any Porsche?
Or 911?
Any 911.
Any 911?
Yeah, or 912. 912s are cool too.
Yeah.
So leave it in the comments. Let us know what's your favorite year, color, spec, as detailed as you want to get. Thanks for the love, and I'll catch you guys next time. As always, be blessed and be superish.
Bro, it's a Supra.
This dude, in one of the videos, you were like, it's a Supra. The second one, we paid $500 for this. The third one,
Mystery auction.
I don't know what you said, but I'm like, good. Thank you. We did 3 tries. I chopped all 3 together, and it came out like, but it worked out good. So.